everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Mailchimp. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the search box that pops up at the very top, type in mailchimp.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official web page of Mailchimp. You'll be able to see a login and sign up free button in the top right hand corner from the main home page. To sign up for a new account, click on Sign Up Free button at the top right hand corner. You can go ahead and enter your email address and username followed by a password in order to create a new account. Type in a valid email address that you have access to into the first text box. Now head over to the next field and type in a username. Choose a username that contains letters and numbers or use your email address instead. Now head over to the next field where it says password and create a new password for your account. While creating a password, always make sure to use one lowercase character, one special character, and one number included in your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long. Once you have a password that matches the criteria, you'll be able to see this kind of a message popping up right beneath. If you don't want to receive promotional emails from Mailchimp, click on this box right beneath. But if you do, leave it unchecked. Finally, after typing in your information in the text boxes, click the sign up button beneath. Wait for a few seconds, and now you'll need to go ahead and check your email. Make sure to open up the same email that you just typed in while creating a new account. Open up a new tab and go to the email service provider that you chose. In your inbox, you'll be able to receive an email from Mailchimp. Click it open and click on Activate Account in order to start off with your new Mailchimp account. Confirm you are not a robot by clicking on I'm not a robot. And there you have created a very new account for Mailchimp. Choose your plan from the options displayed on the next page. You can also choose a free plan on the next page and click Next. Set up your account by entering your information into the text boxes. Once you type in all of your information, click Continue. Type in your address into the text box. Go ahead and enter your address information on the next page and click Continue beneath. Answer all of the questions that will be asked along the way, and there you have been signed up for a new account on Mailchimp. Mailchimp is an all-in-one marketing platform which helps you manage and talk to your clients, customers, and other interested parties. This will be your main homepage for Mailchimp, as you can see on the display. Here, you can manage your mailing list, create custom email templates, and automate your entire marketing campaigns. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.